Hi, in 60 seconds I'll show how to safely drain your DeLonghi Pinguino portable air conditioner. Turn the unit off and unplug it from the wall for safety. Locate the drain plug at the base and position a shallow tray or towel underneath. Remove the plug by turning it counterclockwise, letting water flow slowly into the tray. If your model has a drain hose, attach it now and lower the hose to a floor drain or bucket. Tilt the unit slightly forward to encourage complete drainage, then securely reinsert the plug when finished. Empty the tray or bucket and wipe the drain area dry with a clean cloth. Restart the unit and run it in fan mode for a few minutes to help dry internal components. If water won't drain, check the hose for kinks and clear any visible blockages in the plug opening. If you see error codes on the display, consult the manual or note the code before contacting support. Regularly draining during humid months prevents leaks and keeps cooling performance optimal. Quick recap: power off, remove plug or attach hose, drain, dry, check hose. You're all set.